everyone. Welcome to the ultimate guide to a zero waste bathroom for beginners. This will hopefully help you start making a more conscious effort to reduce your waste inside your bathroom. If you enjoy this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. We all start our day by brushing our teeth. Long gone are the days when we only use plastic toothbrushes which stay on our earth for centuries. We know now how bamboo toothbrushes are the go-to solutions these days as they decompose after use. When it comes to the plastic tube-filled toothpaste, we can ditch that too for more sustainable ones like our age-old tooth powders that come in glass bottles. Or toothpaste tablets that have started coming to the market recently. And also the natural toothpaste that come in glass bottles. Dentists request us all to floss our teeth, right? But the common floss is made of plastic and is so tiny that it gets lost in the waste. Instead, try using the floss made of bamboo fiber and decomposes naturally at the end of its use. And what about your tongue cleaners, you ask? Definitely skip the plastic ones and choose ones made of copper, steel or bamboo. Let's now shift to personal hygiene. After brushing our teeth comes washing our face, and for that I've switched to this face wash in an amber colored glass bottle which can be infinitely recycled. If not, you always have the option of using a face soap that is also available in plenty in paper packaging. And if nothing, using home-based DIYs is also another wonderful option. Most of us also like using face scrubs every once in a while, and most of those come in plastic and also contain microbeads which are super harmful to our environment. Instead, opt for ones that come in glass packaging made of completely natural ingredients. Hold on, we completely forgot something else we do in the bathroom, which is washing our hands, which is so important especially now. So what are the best options? Of course, our very own soap bars, which are the most efficient and long lasting. And make sure to choose ones that come without any plastic packaging. And for keeping our soaps, we always have stands for it, and generally we've all been known to get plastic ones too. But now you have the option to opt for sustainable ones made of wood or bamboo, which also last a very long time. If you're somebody who prefers hand washes, don't look at the fancy plastic bottles because we have our own fancier glass bottles with hand washes. The refills for these are also available in 100% recyclable pouches that will also be reused if sent back to the organization. Let's move on to our bath routine. Instead of using body washes that usually comes in plastic packaging, always opt for handmade soaps which are made of completely safe ingredients and also comes in paper packaging. And while scrubbing, make sure that you switch to natural ones made of dried gourds. Do you oil your hair like me? If so, choose hair oils in glass or metal bottles instead of plastic ones. And when it comes to hair washing, it's time to rethink and switch to shampoo bars, which are super popular right now, or even shampoos in aluminium bottles, which are again infinitely and 100% recyclable. And of course, there are also natural products like shikagai, neem, rita, etc., which can be mixed and used as shampoo. And if you are somebody who uses a conditioner, I'd ask you to try using a conditioner bar too. These bars will definitely last you 10 times longer than the ones in bottles for sure. Now let's come to cleaning that happens inside the bathroom. The one and only cleaner you really need for your bathroom or toilet cleaning is definitely a bioenzyme, which is super powerful and can be made at home in a very low cost. I will surely make a video for it very soon, so make sure to stay tuned for it. And if you need an immediate sustainable option, I'd suggest for you to buy them from brands or organizations which have refillable options, or even take back their plastic bottles for recycling or reusing purpose. But how do you clean your toilets? Well, stop using those plastic toilet cleaning brushes because we have some amazing sustainable options these days, like this one made of wood and coconut fibers. These can last as long as your plastic ones and will decompose at the end of its life. And for the cleaning of the wash basins or other parts of the bathroom, these eco-friendly coconut husk scrubs are the winners. We still haven't talked about two very important products. Let's start with our favorite mugs. We've been using plastic ones for decades now. So why not switch to stainless steel ones instead? Similarly, instead of our plastic buckets of different colors and design, let's just try switching to stainless steel. They do last a long time for sure. And they also have a very particular aesthetic to it too. One final product that hangs in every bathroom. Yes, are towels. I'm a fan of the simple cotton ones, but if you want something a bit fancier, opt for ones made of either 100% organic cotton, or even better would be ones made of bamboo fabric, which is much more sustainable. Those were all the ways in which you can have a more eco-friendly bathroom at home. I hope you will choose these options the next time you're looking for a new product. Which of these products had you never known of before? Make sure to comment below and let me know. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. So until then, bye bye.